I became a referee after I injured my knee playing football when I was 29. So I was thinking if I'm going to stay in sports, I could probably officiate. And so the officiating kind of took the place of playing the sports. My family was very supportive. They knew how much I loved athletics. My wife and my children were on my team, so they made it easy for me. I've been refereeing for 42 years now. This is my 42nd year. Doing only football now. In the past, I did basketball and softball also. So I was officiating and running on it pretty regular, and that's what resulted in some pain that got too difficult to manage, and so that's when I went and visited Dr. Eckbo. As far as choosing a physician for my knee, had several of my friends had visited Dr. Eckbo and had knees done. So they thought he was pretty straightforward on what he was looking at and how it could be fixed or rehabbed or whatever. So I ended up going and visiting him, and right up front, he was very detailed on what I had, what would have to happen, how I would recover, what the physical therapy would be, how much emphasis on me being involved in it. It'll get as good as what you want it to be. And he says you can go back to doing officiating and go back to your activities and everything that you did before. Prior to surgery, after meeting with Dr. Eckbo to make it through the last season before my surgery, we decided to put some injections, lubricant injections into the knee to relieve some of the pain because I had games scheduled, and it's difficult to find relief with officials now. We have a very large shortage of officials in high school sports right now, so I wanted to make sure I made it through the season, and it went fine. It's amazing. He told me it would. Dr. Eckbo said, we can fix it and you can go back to doing exactly what you want to do. Well, it makes the time much more enjoyable from the standpoint, even when I was doing normal family activities, the knee was troublesome, and now it's just not part of it. I think mentally it helps you dramatically. So you just don't think about it anymore. So.